Hello, Amir here. I have developed this Google Form and Google Sheet-based integrated system for sales, data entry, and analysis. Here we have the staff name, the shift type, the booth name, then sales for the particular shift, and all these drop-down menus they come from this setting tab of this Google Sheet. And the data is directly uh, entered into this sheet. And we have the dashboard where we have various filters and various figures to look into the data and analyze the data based on different set of criteria. We have different data visualizations. We have these tools to check which booth is doing well, which salesperson is doing well, and we have annual data overview. We have the table for monthly sales, data visualization. We have different kinds of reports and analysis tools over here, as you can see. We have the calendar over here. Data automatically comes from the form data. Only form data is to be entered by the user. Nothing else. Nothing else. Everything comes automatically later on. So this is the complex formula, as you can see.